Hi everyone, this is Alan Zhen with your May real estate market update. The spring market continued with good momentum, and with more sunny days toward the end of May, buyer activity also felt more active. More people were going out, viewing homes, visiting open houses, and making decisions. Looking at May's data, the market is not perfect, but it is clearly stronger than a few months ago. For detached homes, the average price was down about 1.3% compared with April, but sales jumped 27% month over month. This shows demand is still there, especially for good homes. However, sellers still need to be careful with pricing. Buyers are active, but they are not blindly overpaying. Attached homes are also improving. Sales rose about 19% compared with April, while new listings were down around 3%. Prices were almost flat, which may suggest this segment is getting close to the bottom. For condos, sales continued to rise by about 15% compared with April, and prices remained almost flat compared with last month. Condos still have more competition, but the data is no longer getting worse. Of course, we're still hearing a lot of negative news about insolvencies, the recession, the mortgage renewal wave, and the Canadian economy. But headlines do not always tell the full story. When we look at the actual housing data, May showed stronger sales activity and more buyer confidence. So the big takeaway? The worst may already be behind us. For buyers, this may still be a good time to act before competition increases again. For sellers, the opportunity is improving, but pricing strategy is still very important.